Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. Great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Blessed Drancro, Trinibas 2, Mark Williams, Nuclear Rastaman. Everybody, big up themselves. More of the people them in Guyana, Trinidad, Jamaica, US, the whole Caribbean, St. Lucia, St. Vincent. Wanna big up on myself. Now, before me talk about this situation with Jamaica, more the people them know say, me say Jamaica first, but me also say Caribbean first, cause I am from the Caribbean and I feel like as a Caribbean citizen, I should be allowed to go to any Caribbean island and live, work for free. So that me I say Caribbean first. I have been sitting down, analyzing and looking at Jamaica and the crime situation, which we know that's not nothing new. Now, look at the screen in front of you. It says 14 get arrested after a year-long $159 million fraud probe by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Them say them use CTAC and some other agency within the Constabulary Force to crack this case. Let's move on. Now look at the other thing. It's a 18-year-old and 2 minor charge for rape. Woman get catch with gun and ammo. Yo, what I am saying is, with all this crime going on in Jamaica, where are they going to put these criminals and these allegedly charged people and the ones them that is convicted? Can somebody answer that question for me? No. Most of them, all of them crime here, you know, where me I talk about happen within 30 days, you know. Police charged with murder. You understand? Painter, they upon gun and ammo charge. The list goes on and on. So, what I am saying is, where are we going to put all these criminals? The government, them crime plan is lacking a lot of things. How are you going to create a new crime law, and within that bill, you didn't put new prisons? Yo, you can build a prison in about 1 week. Mr. China build a hospital in a 1 day. Mr. China build a prison in a 1 day. If you don't believe me, you can research it for yourself. Why is the government not building more prisons? And why is the government not building new courthouses? Why is the government not putting in programs in place in these garrisons to stop the youth them from joining gangs? Look at that picture in front of you right there where it say 13-year-old boy, young boy charged with rape. Now, don't the government see that there is a crisis right there? Yo, a whole heap of young people in Jamaica are raped, and it means there's a breakdown within the social fabric of our society. Now, if I was in government and running and see all these young people getting charged with rape, I would definitely form a task force and send them into the community to figure out what's going on, put a stop to it, and try and help these people. Obviously, if me are 13 years old and me have to go rape and fuck some pussy, that means something is seriously wrong with me and the environment I'm in. So when the government charge a 13-year-old with rape, them need to go to the parents them and figure out and charge the blood clot parents them too. If your 13-year-old out there a rape, it is a sick mother effing society. Now, I want to talk about that girl there. They are my Issa. Now, look at this situation. She said her son, her car was carjacked. It was an Audi. And they drove off with her son. And when them find the car, her son's throat was cut. And I guess she said, and they assume it's some criminal people, criminals them do it. Now, we all know that if I am gonna jack a car, me I shoot a bitch there, and me I throw the pitney out of the bumbuckler car, I'm gone with the car. And me I drag that girl there out of the car, throw out her blood clot pitney, I'm gone with the car I want, the car worth 10 million. Okay? Why would I hijack a car just to kill a baby? And the money me I look for. It doesn't make fucking sense. And the police them know this. Now, the police them went to the judge and the court system, just like how Trinidad went to the court system for Swanee. And they order her to turn over her phone and the information, and she still hasn't turned it over. And this young lady is still on the fucking streets. I can't understand that. Why is this bitch not in jail? Listen, she said she was driving her car, and carjackers came and carjacked her car, let her out of the car, drive off with the car, and then kill the baby and leave the car. So obviously, if that's the case, it was a planned hit on the baby. What are you saying? And this case really pissed me off about Jamaica. The Jamaican police, them action pack. So them go after the gangs. Them consume by fucking gangs. But people like her, this fucking bitch, why is she not in jail? And it speaks to the crime that's going on in Jamaica. And that me I talk about. But listen, I know I'm overdoing it with this girl here. But explain to me. I am a carjacker. And I go out there to carjack a car. Because I can't get 10 million feet. I'm a chain on the year I lick on the table. When on the hear that sound there. And I am a carjacker. I went to carjack a car. But what I did, I throw out the adult, drive off with the car, and then I cut the baby throat and left him in the car. It doesn't make sense. Listen, me need the blood clot money. You must come to get your car, I'm coming to get your car. If me have to fling where you and your picnic forget the car, that's it. But why me I go throw you out of the car and drive off with the baby? It doesn't make sense. And I think the police them know that. So my thing is, why is this bitch not in jail? And why the police them not go shoot her like how them shoot Dog Paw and the rest of man them? Where them say wanted and them a gunman. But that's how Jamaica is. Let's go. Now, look at that in front of you. It's a corpse found. 2 men charged. And it says man facing murder charge for stabbing death. Now, my thing is, with all this crime, me I wonder where is the government of Jamaica is going to put them. And then you have Andrew Holiness, he came out today and he said, oh, the man them who are rob beryllium and I do the carjacking, the Brinks truck jacking, them are going to take care of them. You have to take care of them and put them where? You have black man, you have the Ranko gang, you have all sort of people in a prison. Every day you have about 10 to 20 crime commit at Jamaica. And people getting locked up left, right and center. And there is no new prison, no new facility, no new courthouse, no nothing. All on the do is give the police them gun, send the police them in the garrison, figure kill off the people them and arrest them. And when you have bitch like Amai Issa, we kill her son, cause me I give Tuna Rhino, pardon the bad words, but she can get away. You understand? But back to what I was saying. With all these crime committing in our island, why is there no new prisons? Why is there no new program facilities? Why is there nothing? Now, do you think when you guys put these guys in jail, you think they're gonna be reformed and one day them have to come out and face John public? It doesn't make sense. So, seeing all these crime, it really bother me. And that's one of the reasons why I am doing this video. Now, there's a whole heap of thing that bother me, you know. Cause I'm gonna do a video on Shensia. She come out with a new video today, or the other day, and I am trying to wrap my head around it. It seems like that girl they lick pussy, straight up, cause the reggae dancehall song that she did, it's a travesty to dancehall, and it's a travesty to all the women. I don't know, to me it seems like she was trying to be a cross between Spice and Rihanna, but she really vank out on this. The time she did it, I sing about lick woman crutches or whatever the hell she's singing about. She should have helped the young girl them, and them should have fight crime in Jamaica. Now, me just go through this, you know. Look at the screen in front of you. Man shot and killed at Meadowbrook Prep School. Yo, me have to laugh to blow out. And 18-year-old charged with murder of him uncle. Me personally still, me understand the mentality of our country, because you can't really get justice even if you go and you call police it take a long time for police even pick up the phone if you call them, and then when you go there, nothing is taken serious and nothing is dealt with accordingly. So me, if a boy diss me or whatever, assault me, and I go to the police station, by the time me leave the police station, me know some me's a mark man. And the police can't help me. So that's why you see the mentality of the country the way it is. A pussy this year, I do something, I go feel. And me have the same mentality. Cause if a pussy diss me, would I go feel the same way. And somebody diss my family member them, me have a problem with it. Them kill all my family member, you know, and me have a problem with that today, up to this day. I would say, you know what, some people are gonna go missing, you know. But me have to take the bigger road. You have to take the bigger road. Me just I tell you now, me a real people, me's a real person. Like anybody else. Like the 6 gang, the 7 bad, whoever. Shot down, 5 squad, whoever. You see what I'm saying? So me defend it. And that's the mentality of Jamaica, because the system cannot defend you and the system won't support you in the right way. You're gonna fall through the cracks. I said tracks. Fall through the cracks of that system. And that's what it is. Look at the screen in front of you. You have a beautiful young woman, she's 17, murdered by her father. At the bottom, if you look, the police lists a group of people from Western Kingston on the wanted list. Now, I could go on and on and on and on and on till the break of dawn. Me sound like me a rap. But the thing is, why I'm highlighting all this crime, which is nothing new to the John public in Jamaica, everybody know. If you meet a Yankee American, the first thing they say, Jamaican violent, and them call you shatters or rude boy. Shatters, rude boy. And them say Jamaica violent. And now because of the internet and the open spaces, nothing is hidden anymore. So people really knows what's going on. I got to get back to the first part of this video, what I am talking about, because I am about to wrap it up, because I could sit here and I could talk case after case after case after case after case after case, and it won't solve anything. But one of the reasons why I brought this up, and this is the real reason, it's we have all these criminals, but I don't see any prisons going up. We can estimate how much money there are prison in Jamaica. There are 3 million population, and I don't think 10% of that country is locked up. But you have a high percentage of murder and all sort of stuff. That means in Jamaica, it's a land of assassinators. You have real life assassins who is living in the community and living amongst people. And that's just the reality of where we're from. or what we're our country. You see what I'm saying? That's just the reality. With that said, like me say, build more prison. China can build prison for now. Not even 10% of our population, which would be 30,000. It's more like 0.1% or 0.3%. It's 0.3% of our population. So say like you have 3,000 man in prison. Now you can't have a prison that hold 5,000 people. And you solve the problem right there. Modern state-of-the-art prison. Come out with programs for the youths them. And I witness that programs work. Programs work. Because I know a bunch of kids, if they didn't have certain things in their neighborhood, like the neighborhood gym and the neighborhood programs, me know them kids there would have be in a blood clot jail. And one of them would have be my son too. Because if them never have them things there in the community for the youth them, I don't know what would have happened to them. So, I say that to say this. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Wanna have to get it right. We know there's a crisis in the island. We know there's issues going on. If you count the crime from January 1st to now, is April 15th. There's so much crime, you can't wrap your head around it. Now, you can do an estimation. If we have 1,500 murder with 3 million people, can you imagine how much murder we would have with 450 million or 500 million like the US or over 1 billion like China? All you have to do, you divide 3 million into 500 million. And the answer is 250,000. So if we had a population like the US, we would have 250,000 murder a year. We not talk about rape, robbery, and other crime, fraud, whatever. We just deal with murder. So, I say that to say this again. How come we're not building more prisons and putting more into structured programs? Where is Jamaica gonna put all these criminals? But tell them, build a prison on Pigeon Quay. Equip it with state-of-the-art thing. And make people and them family live there. If them don't want to talk on the bad man them, you put them mother, them father, them whole family. And that Kim Jong do them in South Korea. I mean North Korea. In North Korea, if you have a bad man and him hide from the government, you know what them do? Them put him whole family in the gulag. And a them thing that we need to do. We need to take crime serious. We need people to know, say, listen, I have my rights, and you have the law. And if I violate the law like this, I go to prison. But beyond that, you have to have somewhere to put these guys. Now, with that said, I'm about to go. let me know what you think about this video. Cause my thing is, we are lock up people and we not build a prison. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm gonna talk about that girl that's saying, see ya. I have to talk about she. I'm out.